You've heard this 1,000 times. Investing is your key to building wealth. But if you're just starting out, it may feel overwhelming, right? But what if I told you that you could start small, like really small, and still build something big over time? Let's break this down together. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification so you never miss any new video that I post on this channel that will help you take control of your finances. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pamela, and in today's video I'll be talking about investing, what it really is, why it's so important, and how you can get started without needing a fortune. One of the beautiful things about investing is that you can start out with any amount. So whether you're working with £50 or £500, I'm going to walk you through practical, easy to follow steps that will help you grow your wealth over time. Let's get started. Let's define what investing actually is. In simple terms, investing is putting your money into assets that are expected to grow over time. Think stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even real estate. When you invest, your money works for you instead of just sitting in a savings account. Now you might wonder, why bother investing at all? Let's talk about inflation. Over time, the cost of living rises, and if your money is just sitting in a savings account, it actually loses value. Investing, on the other hand, not only helps your money keep up with inflation, but it also allows you to grow your wealth. And here is the magic word: compound interest. Over time, your money earns interest on the interest, which is why starting early, even with small amounts, it's so powerful. Let's talk about starting small. You don't need thousands to invest. Apps like Plump or Trading 212 let you begin with as little as £1. You can even go as high as £50 depending on how much you are willing to risk. The key is just to get started. Think of it like planting a seed. It might not seem much at first, but over time, it can grow into something substantial. Don't wait for the perfect time or more money. Just start where you are. So where should you put that first £50? If you're new to investing, low-cost options like index funds or ETFs are great choices. They are diversified, which means your risk is spread across many assets and they are easy to manage. Think of these as the starter pack for beginners. If you're interested in specific stocks, that's fine too. But for most beginners, index funds are the way to go. Let's talk about risk. Investing always comes with some level of risk, but the good news is you can manage it. Higher returns usually come with higher risk, but when you're starting out, you can choose lower risk options. The important thing is to invest what feels comfortable for you and never risk money that you can't afford to lose. One of the hardest things about investing is patience. You won't see results overnight, and that's okay. The real power of investing comes from staying consistent and letting time do the heavy lifting. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, small steady steps lead to big changes. Here is a tip to make investing effortless. Automate it. Set up a monthly transfer into your investment account, whether it's £20 or £100. This way, you are building a habit without even thinking about it. Automation is the easiest ways to stay consistent. Finally, education is key. Read books, watch videos like this one, and learn as much as you can. But also be aware of common mistakes. Don't panic during market dips, and don't try to time the market. It's nearly impossible. Stay the course and trust the process. So there you have it. Investing doesn't have to be so complicated, and you don't need a lot of money to start. Start small, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below about how you're planning to start your investment journey. I would love to hear your goals. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who is looking to start their investment journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.